Hi everyone, Happy New Year. I hope you all enjoyed the Winter Origami series, and now I'm back with another series which will all be concentrated around farm animals because, well, I just like folding animals, to be honest. So that's what we're going with. So yeah, let's get started. So today we will be folding the pig origami animal. And first of all, we need to make the pig base, which fits the origami. So to get started, a square piece of origami paper like usual. We will first fold the top and bottom edges towards the center. So I'm just going to mark off my center fold. Like that. And then fold them both towards the center. Awesome. Then after that, we're going to fold the entire model in half. Then unfold the model, and then we're going to fold the left and right edges towards the center crease we just made. Awesome. So then the next thing what we're going to do is open up the corners and do a squash fold. So we're going to open and then squash it down so it's like a triangle shape. And we're just going to repeat that on all the other corners. Cool. And then once you have that, you want to flip these. We are going to fold the model from the center in half into a mountain fold, like so. And then we're just going to flip the model around so it looks like this. And first thing we're going to do is just fold these flaps from the side here down to the center fold, and then repeat the same on the other flaps. Awesome. And then once we have that, taking one end, we are just going to fold it into the model as a valley fold. So if you pinch it and then push in and then pull it up a little bit, so about this much sticks out, and then we're just going to fold it. And at the other end, we are just going to fold it into itself all the way. So just like the other side, but this time we're going to fold it all the way into the top, squash it down. So then you have like a triangle. And then the next thing you're going to do is grabbing that corner that you folded, we are going to fold back again and pull it a bit out. But yeah, something about this should be enough. It's just a little cute pigtail. And then what we want to do is just fold these flaps here back and do the same on the other side to make the hind legs. And yeah, this is our cute little piggy, and you can obviously draw a face here. Ta-da! And this is our pig with kind of a cheeky grinning face. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this origami. Like usual, comment down below what you thought. Thumbs up this video so I know you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more origami content and other sorts of art videos on my channel. And yeah, I hope to see you next time, and thanks for watching. Bye!